Hi there, just going to show you a little bit about what we're doing with Richard and James's 30k terrain. So as you can see, we've got a few proof of concept items set up here. If you have a little pan around, you can see we've got our railway station, we've got our gantry over the top of the railway, and we've got this great big wall citadel and this tower in the background. What we're going to do is we're going to set this wall back so there'll actually be a walkway in front of it. Over this side we're going to have a container freight yard, and then this low wall here is going to extend out a little bit, and we're going to have an industrial site just on here. But what you've got to remember is the table you're looking at right now is 8 feet by 4 feet. We're actually going to be going all the way to here, 8 feet by 6 feet. All right, so I'm here with my friend Keith, who's filming, and we've just sussed out a few of the parts we need to finish this off, and we're looking to actually build the board very soon, 12th and 13th of December. We're going to build the actual boards, which are going to get tiled so that we can mount everything properly. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to switch to cameraman, and Keith's going to talk a little bit about the 3D printing.
Hi, I started printing this whole setup back in May, and it's been pretty much non-stop since then. We started off doing pretty much most of the stuff, all of this stuff here, in resin. However, it's working out quite expensive, and so what I've done is been fine-tuning my FDM printing skills, and we're now doing majority of the prints now in FDM, apart from anything we want finer we'll still do in resin. As an example, the last thing that I've completed was the tower, which is 106 centimeters tall and has taken approximately 200 hours of printing. I've got pretty much 4 FDM printers constantly doing that, so it's 200 hours. That's time-wise, it's actually more than that in actual print time. Hopefully I'll be able to document that for statistics later on.
Right guys, so here's where we're at. I've started to do a little bit of proof of concept painting. I'd like to see some brass, some ceramite. I don't want too much rust, but we are going to bring some of that in. I need some Roman numerals in here, and we need some black letter font and bits and pieces to start to bring it to life in the spirit of 30k. So we'll post another video update a bit later on when we've made the table. Thank you.